So welcome back. This is the second part of the conditional formatting. If you have not watched the first video, please check on my previous video so that you can watch it to have a better understanding of this video. This is the continuation of the last video I dropped. Now, so let's continue one of the uses of conditional formatting. So what we can use it to do. So let me delete this. So now what we can make use of it to do. Now let's see. We have we want to know the product that is doing fine. We want to know the product that is what that is doing fine. So how do we do that? We want to know the product that is what that is doing fine. So how do we do that? So just go to that unit sold, go to the unit sold, then you go to what, that means you want to know, or you want to know your, you can say the product that is doing fine, or you can also use it to know your best top customers. You know, your best top customer by that the one that bought the highest number of units, right? So I want to get the best. So I would say top 10 items. Top 10 items. You can guess top 20. So what will you do? You can give it the color that you want after you have highlighted it, maybe dark green. Also, you can see it has highlighted everything. It has highlighted this top 10. So can we see? So those are the top 10 customer. Can we see? They are your what? They are your top customer. Top 10 customer. So one, two, three, four, five. So we have it now. You can also get top 20 like that. So let me just clear this rule so that you can move on. I don't want this one to be long. So let me clear the rules. So you can check other thing you can check top 10%, below 10. You can check below 10 items. So we want to know the products that are not doing fine. The products that are not doing fine, or the customer that are not buying much. So let's see, so that you know how to work on those customers, you know the kind of challenges they are facing. So let's see, below 10 items, you can see that, or the customer that order for what, for lesser units. You can see it here now. You can see it here. So you can see it. So those are, so you can filter it. You can filter it the way I did it in the, let me just, for those who don't know how to filter. So how do you filter? Just come here, the first column here, you hold down the shift key, then come to the what, to the last here. So what do? You go to the filter, click on the what, filter. So once you click on it, so can you see, so you sort by color. Can we see? So it will take it out. So we have filter it. Can we see? So you should know that. So that is it on that. Now, so what else can we do with this thing? So let's check. We can check above average. Above average, you can check below average. So if you want to check above average, if you click on this, what will it bring? Above average. So you can see it will bring it below average to the same thing. So let me clear the rules. So let me clear the rules. Now we can also use the what we call data. So we have what below average. We can also use data bar. Maybe I want to represent this one in a what, in a chart to get full. Chart will make it. It will make it easy. It will pass. It will make it easy. It will make it look more presentable. Exactly now. Be able to what, to see it and what, and view it. Exactly now, without even knowing the what, the numbers. So you can see it and understand the customer that what, that get, that have that bought the highest what product. So it will arrange it. So what do we do? How do we make use of that bar? Can you see? You can see, if we want to make use of data bar. So no, but before that, before we can make use of, there's one of those things that is always advised to do. So that's, you want this one to be, to remain, you can create another what, another column. You can create another column. So once you create another column, then you can now copy. this unit so to another column. That column, you know, column that is what we are. Let's read it. To click another column, go to what insert. So then I want to copy this unit soul to uh to the second one. So what do you call it? It's equal to what? What is that? That's you can just say e2 or just click on this. Let me see. Just click on that. Once you feel equal to click on the next the previous column. So you enter. So what do you do? Can you see? So e2 is equal to this. So what do you do next? Just what? Double click. It will copy everything. Double click on it. It will copy it. Once you copy it, I can now use this one. I can now what? I can now work on this. I can work on this one now. So I want to use what data bar. You can see anyone you want to use, anyone you want to use. You can see anyone you like to use. Me, I like to use okay, this particular color is fine. Let me use this. Now, if you look at this, with the number showing doesn't it make it look rough. So I want it to look very neat. So now what do? I can go back to that conditional formatting, the data bar, then manage rules. Then I go to the what? To the show bar only. That means you should not show the number. So you click on what? You click on OK. You click on what? OK. Can we see? Can we see that? But in this, it is not what? It is not organized. Can we see it? It is scattered. So how do we organize it? So that means you go back to your what? To your sort. I believe you know how you can sort data. So that means you maybe get your filter. So what to do that? Click to the last one. Then you um use you enable the filter. After you do that, you can now sort it. You can it depends on what you want to want. You can say, let me say, from the largest to the smallest. From the largest to the smallest. Can you see now? So this one is what? This one look better compared to the what? Compared to the previous one. It look what? It look more uh attractive compared to the what? To the previous one. You can see that. You can see that. It look more what? More attractive. Can you see? So with this, you are what? You are presenting information about their data. Now, so other thing can be done on Excel as well. On this conditional formatting, we have what? You can also use icon. Let's see. You can also use icon. So let's see. Maybe I want to use icon. Color scale. You can also use color scales, icons. That one, that is, can you see? You can use icons. Can you see? You can use this. You can use shapes. So you can use anything depending on. You can use shapes. You can use numbers. See this traffic light. You can see. You can use them. So, but always make sure you watch. You remove the numbers. It was the icon that what we use. More rules. More rules. So show icon only. So I think you stop. You can also at least you stop here. So can you see? So we have it like that. So many things like that. So you can see. So you can see that. So I believe you have a better understanding our conditional was formatting. So there are a lot of things that we can use it. We have at least be able to what to apply it for. I think we have done about 10, top by 10, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, average, and so on and so forth. And you can also set rules. Yes, you can also set rules. So set rules. Maybe what you have there is not in the option. What you want to do is not in the option. You set your own rules. So you can go through that. So thank you. Please, you have not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you do so that whenever I do a video, you always get notification. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.